All right, people. So we got this pineapple tool. It's 4 in 1. It looks like it peels it. It takes the core out. It slices it and it puts it into wedges. And then when you get it all out, you could put it back in the shell. All right. So just took it out the box. It comes in the 3 pieces. Actually, it looks like this X slides in here. Locks it. And we gotta get the pineapple. We are gonna cut it up, cut the head off. All right. And it says you can start in the middle, and we can drill it in all the way to the bottom. Ooh, it's cutting like butter. Oh, they're looking nice. It's easy too. When I made it to the bottom, it says, I guess we made it to the bottom. All right. Then it says, pull the fruit out. So now you can pull the fruit out. It says, ooh, look at that. Look at that.
I want to use that for a drink.
Oh, my bad, homie.
Don't go all the way to the bottom. That way you can make it into a drink.
Okay. So it says, remove the handle.
See?
Use a fruit bowl.
Yeah. Not going all the way to the bottom.
Ooh. Oh, slide it out. That's the core. It says, oh, I'll probably slide it this way. Gotta be careful because this is all sharp. Okay. So now it says we could use this and cut it into wedges. Let's see. So this is how the pieces look. This thick slices. All right. So we take this, put it over this, and for the wedges, so that's how we're gonna cut the wedges. Put this back. Just push down. Oop. Oops. Little wedges. Perfect. Alright. And I said we could put it back in here as a fruit bowl.
Yes, Your Majesty. Yes, Sebastian. I'm concerned about Ariel. Have you noticed she's been acting peculiar lately?
Oops.
Peculiar? Hearing it all mooning about. Daydreaming?
This is the
Singing
end
to
result.
herself?
Oops.
You haven't noticed.
Voila. We got a pineapple. I think I went too far down because I got a hole in the bottom. But I know next time don't go that far.
About Ariel?
All right. Stay tuned for the next contraption a cat gets.